and welcome to my student. Today's lectures we have seen the IUPAC nomenclatures of the ethers. IUPAC name of ethers. Ethers are the organic compounds at having the group like COC. So this type of functional group which is present in the ethers. The general formula of ethers are like this: R, O and R dash. These R and R dash, they will be as alkyl or aryl ethers. If these two groups, alkyl or the aryl group, if it will be same, then such ether which is called as the symmetric ether or the simple ether. If these are, they will be different, such ethers which is called as the unsymmetrical ether or the mixed ether. Then we are going to discuss how will you given the name for this IUPAC of that ether compounds. So ether, they will be given as a common name as like the word are used as the di, tri, tetra, etc. So di, tri, tetra, such words which are used, and then after the write the name of ether. Okay. So first examples we have take are here, like so these are some examples. Now we have take, and so they will given the name. First examples we have given the IUPAC name, like these parts firstly given the name as like the methoxy, right? Methoxy, and then other substituents they will be given name as methane. So methoxy, methane. But what is the common name of these molecules? Are this also methyl? It is also methyl. Therefore, it is a symmetrical ethers or the simple ethers. So common name of these molecules are the dimethyl ether, right? Dimethyl ether. Second examples, now we have CRGS like this. This example, sorry, we have taken RGS like C2H5O, C2H5. So it is a group is a ethoxy, right? IUPAC name ethoxy, and then name of parent alkane which is ethane. So ethoxy, ethane. And now we have seen RGS. The common name of that ether is, right? We substitute ethyl are the substituent. Therefore, di-ethyl and word are usable ether. So this is the common name for the structure di-ethyl ether, and IUPAC name methoxy ethane. Similarly, other examples we have taken are here like this. This is a substituent. So name is a methoxy. Methoxy, and then the parent name is the ethane. So methoxy ethane. And what is the name? Common name is the, they can arrange alphabetically. So ethyl, methyl, ether. Right? This is a common name for the structures. Now these structures we have given the IUPAC nomenclatures as like, this is a substituent. So what is the name? Methoxy, right? Methoxy. And then the name of parent alkane. So what is the name of parent alkane? It's propane, right? So due to three carbons are there, and hence the name is a propane. So methoxy propane, right? So such examples we have seen the given the IUPAC nomenclatures for those molecules. Now we have seen the other molecules also given the IUPAC nomenclatures. Now we have seen other examples which are different. They will have the other substituent group. The other substituent the group which is attached in the chain of the ether, and they will have the both sides of the chain. They can number as is 1. For examples, we have CR here like this. So this is the examples we have given the IUPAC name are here like this. So number is like given 1, 2 and 3. Firstly, we have select the longest chain of alkanes. Similarly, other substituents are here. One of the substituent is here, and therefore the number is like this. This is 1 dash and 2 dash. And hence the IUPAC name for those molecules will be given like the 2 dash bromo, right? 2 methyl, then ethoxy, 2 dash bromo, ethoxy, 2 methyl propane. 2 dash bromo, then this substituent 2 dash bromo, ethoxy, 2 methyl, and then name of parent alkane is propane. So propane, right? So this is a correct IUPAC nomenclatures for those structures. Other molecules also we have seen are here like this. So those molecules Now we have given the IUPAC nomenclatures also using this scheme. So number we start like this: 1, 2, 3. It is also 1 dash, 2 dash, and 3 dash. Right? So name is given as like firstly the 3 dash chloro. What is the group of the substituent is a propoxy. So 3 chloro propoxy, 3 chloro, 3 dash chloro, chloropropoxy, 3 dash chloro, chloropropoxy, 2 dimethyl, 2 dimethyl propane, right? 3 dash chloropropoxy, right? 3 dash chloropropoxy, 2 dimethyl propane. So this is the name for such molecules we have given the IUPAC nomenclatures. Other examples also we have see are here, like ठीक है. So we will give IUPAC nomenclatures of such molecules. Firstly, we have given the numbering. We have choose this long section of alkane like this, right? So number is given like 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And what is the substituents? Methoxy, right? So name is methoxy butane, but one positions they will be methoxy. 1 methoxy butane. So this is the IUPAC nomenclature for those molecules. Similarly, other molecules we have choose like this. You know that alkane as the parent alkane. Therefore, choose this number like this 1 and 2, right? Sorry, 1 and 2. So, what is the name? 1 ethoxy, 1 ethoxy ethene. It is the name of those ethers, ethoxy ethene. Other name will be given as like the chlorine is attached are here, the one of the substituent. This is other substituents. It is a other substituent which is attached to ether. So number is like this 1, 2. So name is given as like the 2-chloro, sorry, 1-chloro, 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 2-methoxy, 2-methoxy, and then name of parent alkane is ethane, right? 1-chloro, 2-methoxy, ethane. The other structures also we have given the name, but these structures which are different from these structures because the substituents, this is substituent, both will be same on both sides, and therefore number is given as like any one sides. Firstly, numbering is given like 1, 2 and 3, and therefore the IUPAC name given as like the first 1 and 3 position they will have the same substituents. So 1, 3. 2 will be same, so di. What is the methoxy? Right? 1, 3, dimethoxy, and then name of parent alkane is propane. Propane. 1, 3, dimethoxy, propane. Right? Next examples. Now we have CRS like those molecules which are symmetrical because this side and this sides of the molecules they will have the same. So other type they will be given the name as like the word we are used as the bis. Bis means 2 times they will have the same. So bis 2-bromo ether, 2-bromo, sorry, 2-bromo ethyl, right? 2-bromo ethyl, and then the word is the ether. So bis 2-bromo ethyl ether. Bis means 2 times. Bis 2-bromo. This is 1, this is 2. So 2-bromo ethyl, and the functional group is the ether. So bis 2-bromo ethyl ether. Now we have see other examples. They will show given the name. And like this is one of the examples. Okay. The name is given as like firstly given the numbering. It is also the 2 sides they will have the same functional group, right? The number is given like 1, 2. It is also 1 dash and 2 dash, right? And therefore name is given as like the 2 dash, 2 dash oxydiethanol. 2 dash oxydiethanol. So what is this correct name? Right, see yes, the 2 and 2 dash, right? This 2 and 2 dash are oxy, means it is a oxy group are there, so oxy diethanol, right? It is 1 and it is 2, so diethanol, and this is a oxy, right? 2 dash oxy diethanol. Sorry, numbering we start like functional group, right? 1 2 1 dash 2 dash, sorry, 1 and 2 dash, so 2 dash, right? 2 dash oxy diethanol. Okay, correct. Similarly, the numbering given like this, start from functional group of the acid 1 dash, sorry, 1 2 and 3. Similarly, 1 dash 2 dash and 3 dash. So name is given as like this, so 3 dash oxy, and then the name of parent alkane is dipropianoic acid. Dipropianoic acid, right? This is the name. Now we have seen IUPAC name for cyclic ether. IUPAC name for cyclic ether, like so firstly we have given the numbering like this 1 2 3 4 and 5. Numbering does not start like this, because numbering start like this 1 2 and 3. Third number they will have the ether linkage, but numbering will start like this. It is a correct numbering. Therefore, such a name of these molecules are 2 3, right? 2 and 3 position they will have the epoxy ring. Therefore 2 3 epoxide, right? This is the epoxide, so name is the epoxy pentane, name of parent alkane is pentane, so 2 3 epoxy pentane. Similarly, the number start like this 1 2 and 3. So firstly we can indicate the name of the substituent is 1-chloro, right? 1-chloro, 2 3 epoxy, and then name of parent alkane is propane, right? 1-chloro, 2 3 epoxy propane. Similarly, the number is given like this, carbogenic acid, the number is first, so 1 2 3 and then 4, and therefore the IUPAC nomenclatures of such molecules like 2 and 3 position they will have the epoxide ring, so 2 3 epoxy, right? Epoxy, and then write the name of parent alkane, 4 carbons, so butanoic acid, butanoic acid, right? 2,3 epoxy butanoic acid.